Hello, Charlie has asked me to say a few words about how fantastic the Love Your Coaching course is, and I am happy to oblige. I was probably Charlie's greatest cynic at the very beginning of the course. I could not see how coaching was going to make a difference, but I soon found that something so simple can be so effective. The course is great. You get so much support from the team, and they really do guide you through every step of the way. In terms of benefits to the school, we've embedded it and are continuing to do so on our journey, and we are really discovering that we're finding solutions to problems before they occur, and that staff are really thinking deeply about their contribution to what we're doing here. The course being online, I think, is really beneficial. There's no wasted travel time. You get to meet people that you wouldn't normally come across because they're from a different region. And we've made some fantastic connections and continue to have those through our WhatsApp group. And even though we've now passed our qualification, we're still supporting each other. And it was great to then meet up at IAPS and actually put sort of real faces to names and people that we'd seen on screen. It's a fantastic course in terms of the support that you give each other and the practical experience that you get. Top tips, I don't really have any. Pop time in your diary and try and stick to it would be the only thing I would say, but I'm afraid I don't have any secrets for that one. And finally, I think it is a lot of hard work. Don't let Charlie tell you anything else, but it's really good fun. It's great to learn something new, and you meet fantastic people along the way. So I would say if you're in any doubt at all, go for it. It's really great.